In this tutorial, I will show you how to make reflection and shadow in Photoshop. Press Ctrl J to duplicate image. Name it as a reflection and drag it to bottom. Press Ctrl T. Right click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust accordingly. Right click again and choose Warp. Follow the process. Choose Gradient tool from Basics. Choose Color and Transparent. Add layer masks on this image. Click and drag it to top. Create a new layer and name it as Shadow. Choose Brush tool. Make sure foreground color is black. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift and adjust it accordingly.